Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya's Techno World. In this video, I am going to tell about how to upload videos in YouTube. So let's start. First, you have to click on Google Ads and click on YouTube. Then click on Your Videos. Under Create option, click on Upload Videos. Then click on Select Files. Here, you have to select the video which you want to upload. Now, you have to add the video details, so let's add the title and description. Then we have to add the thumbnail. Viewers can see the thumbnail when they are browsing YouTube. So click on Upload Thumbnail. Then we have to select the playlist and click Done. Playlist helps us to organize videos. Then you have to select the audience. In this, you have to select No, it's not made for kids. Then you have to click Show More. If your video contains any paid promotion, then you have to select this box. Here, you can add tags if required. Tags are the keywords which help viewers to find your content. In language and caption certification, you can select the language. And you can add recording date and location if needed. In license and distribution, you can select the license type which you want. And you have to select the two options given below. Then you have to select your video category. After selecting all the necessary options, click Next. Under Video Elements, there is an option named Add Subtitles, where you have to click Add. As I want to set the subtitle timings automatically, I will select Auto Sync. You can also select Upload File option or can select Type manually. Under Options, select Upload File. In Subtitle File type, click Without Timings and click Continue. Then you have to select the text file which you want to upload. You can create this text file in Notepad. Then click Open. You can make corrections if needed, then click on Done. Now let's see how to add end screens. First, you have to click on Add. Now you have to select the type of end screen which you want in the video. Here I have selected the end screen with 1 subscribed, 1 video and 2 playlists. You can select the video or playlist which you want to set as end screen. Then you have to set the time from where the end screen should be visible. Let's see how the end screen looks. Then click on Save. Let's see how to add cards. First, you have to click on Add. Then select the video which you have to set as cards. Cards will be visible at the top right side of the video. You can add video, playlist and channel as cards. You can also add custom message and teaser text to cards. Here I am going to add my channel card. Then click on Save. Then click on Next. Again, click on Next. Under Visibility, there are three options. You have to select the options as Private, Unlisted or Public. Or you can schedule your video. To schedule the video, click on Schedule and set date and time. You can also set the video as Premiere. Then click on Schedule. You can copy the video link so that you can share it. Now let's see this video on YouTube. Please like, share, subscribe and comment my channel for more videos.